Hello everyone, welcome to the Desire channel. Today, I'm going to show you something simple commands. You can create incredible visuals using ChatGPT. Let's see exactly how it works.
In this video, I'm going to teach you an amazing trick using ChatGPT. We are going to use professional command prompts to generate highly detailed and informative images like mind maps, blueprints, and flashcards that put all the information in one place and make learning 1,000 times easier for you. As always, I'll start with Google and search for ChatGPT. The first site you see is the ChatGPT website. I click on it and enter the ChatGPT site. On this page, from the left menu, I click on the Image option. Here, there are ready-made templates that you can use to generate images. To start my first trick, I'll give it my first prompt like this. /Timeforge, the first 24 hours of human civilization. I click on Generate and wait for it to create the image for us. I've put the ChatGPT link in the description. Also, I've placed 100 types of command prompts in the comments so you can use them for free. The only thing I ask of you is to like this video so I can get more energy and the video can be shown to more people. My image is ready, let's look at it together. Look how beautifully it has created a Timeforge for us, showing 24 hours in a single frame and 12 beautifully illustrated cards. This method is absolutely perfect for those who want to study information all on one single page. From this section, you can also download the image and save it to your system. Now, I'll move on to the next example and type this phrase. /mindmap, inside the world's largest underground city. I hit generate and wait for my image to be created. My image is ready, let's see it together. It beautifully created an excellent, practical mind map with plenty of explanations for us. You just need to write your desired topic and see how beautifully it creates a mind map for us. It's full of details and packed with information, which is truly useful for increasing our knowledge and learning. You can even print them out and hang them on your room's walls, which is fantastic. Now, I'll move on to the next example and type this phrase. /Citycutaway, reveal the hidden infrastructure beneath Tokyo. I hit generate and wait for this image to be created as well. This image is also ready, let's look at it together. It beautifully gave us a complete architectural view of Tokyo, showing what is built in each underground level. True, it has a bit of exaggeration, but it did this beautifully and provided a lot of explanations. And it can be used as an example for designing buildings, basements, or anything we want to show and see all in one place. That was great. I'll move on to the next example. Now, I will request this from it. /flashcard, reveal how cryptocurrency actually works. I hit generate and wait for it to be created. Let's go look at the image together. Look how beautifully it created a flashcard for us about how cryptocurrency works. You just have to write your desired topic, and it will explain it to you in the form of a flashcard. I had tested a few before, and it gives us information very easily. You can use it with ease. It created an incredible flashcard for me. Now I'll move on to our last example and make this request. /blueprint, how a car engine works. I hit generate and wait for this image to be created too. Let's see it together. It's truly excellent, it beautifully turned how a car engine works into a blueprint, which is awesome and comes with plenty of explanations. I used these as a test, definitely study and read them to see if they are really accurate or how they work. This will raise your awareness and expand your knowledge. You can request your own favorite topics and easily study them on a single page. Alright guys, that wraps up today's tutorial on the Desire channel. You saw how easily we could create engaging, detailed, and highly practical educational images using these command prompts. Don't forget that I've left the full list of those 100 free prompts in the comments for you, so be sure to check them out and test them with your own favorite topics. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today, please hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our upcoming awesome videos and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.